chart view and analytics of your responses. So you can preview the responses in a chart, for example, the applicants, and see how they go. You can customize it, change the colors, change the fields that you want to preview, and how you see it. You can also use the AI analytics. So we have AI Analyze here that you can use and connect it to one of your forms, for example, the applicants, and ask questions. For example, in the options, you can ask a question, for example, what skills are more common in the candidates, right? So you can ask your questions, click generate, and it will generate responses based on the information it has on the form. So it's that easily and that conveniently. And we're 10 minutes past, almost 15 minutes past what I had in mind. I wanted to show you really quickly how you can build a job application workflow process. And I hope it was helpful, and let us know your questions, what workflows you have in mind, how you want to build up a workflow, what kind of workflows, and what teams you're working in. We'd love to hear about your use cases and how you want to use Formaloo. Actually, we have webinars, as I mentioned, every week. So every week we're going to explore different use cases, different workflows, different approval workflows, even using signature field, using different departments. And we will cover all of these use cases in these weekly webinars. So let us know your use cases, because that would be an inspiration for us to continue these webinars. And here we have a full functioning workflow for job application and different processes in the interview processes. You can add another form for assignments. You can add another form for second interview even, and connect all of these to the candidate form, so you know the status of the candidates and you can manage them here in the Kanban board.